Nearby Volkswagen Atlas Parts. Volkswagen AG, known internationally as the Volkswagen Group, is a German multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Wolfsburg, Lower Saxony, Germany, with 3 rows of seating and plenty of room for its occupants. The 2020 VW Atlas offers practicality and a comfortable ride without even a hint of minivan-ness. While its base 4-cylinder engine is underpowered when there's a full load of people and cargo, the optional V6 provides acceptable motivation, but it's lacking in fuel efficiency. The V6-powered Atlas in our long-term test fleet averaged 19 mpg. Driver assistance technology is on hand, with automated emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, all standard. Servicing the Volkswagen Atlas involves routine maintenance to keep the vehicle in optimal condition. While specific service intervals and requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, driving conditions, and individual vehicle history, here are some general guidelines for Volkswagen Atlas service. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Brake service. Inspect and replace brake pads and rotors as needed. Ensure proper brake fluid levels and consider a brake fluid flush as recommended. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and tread depth. Replace tires when they are worn or damaged. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to ensure proper airflow to the engine. Cabin air filter replacement. Replace the cabin air filter to maintain air quality inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for spark plug replacement. The interval may vary depending on the engine type. Suspension and alignment. Regularly inspect the suspension components and perform a wheel alignment if necessary to ensure optimal handling and tire wear. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion. Secure mounting, and check the battery's charge. Replace the battery if needed. Drive belts. Inspect drive belts for wear and proper tension. Replace belts as recommended. Cooling system maintenance. Inspect the radiator, hoses, and thermostat. Flush and replace the coolant at the recommended intervals. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software and control modules up to date by checking for and applying any available updates. Regular inspections. Periodic inspections of the vehicle's components, including the exhaust system, steering system, and suspension, can help identify potential issues before they become major problems. For specific service intervals and procedures, it is crucial to refer to the Volkswagen Atlas Owner's Manual and consult with authorized Volkswagen service professionals. Following the manufacturer's recommendations helps ensure that the vehicle remains in optimal condition.